Hi, in the previous video we saw that how we can create folder in the Mendeley desktop application and how we can import our research papers and publications in that particular folder. And after that we click the icon sync, and now we can see the result of that option. Here is my all articles that I added in my desktop applications. You can see that in my library that all research papers are available here. So basically this is the folder that I've created in the desktop application with the name test, and we can see here in our new collection if we create anything here, for example test 2, and after creating this, if I sync this work with the desktop application, you can see that folder in the desktop application. Let's see how we can do this. So as soon as we created the desktop application, it automatically synced with our desktop application. Now we can see that in our desktop application, is it created or not. So the sync option, I clicked on sync, and now let's wait for the completion of the syncing process. And now we'll see that what change will happen in our desktop application data. We will see that the test2 folder will start to appear in this section. So here we can see that after the completion of the syncing process, that test2 folder is available here. This is a simple process. If we made any kind of change at the desktop application, we can simply sync it with our web application that will store our data on cloud, where we can access it from anywhere. So it is very easy to manage your research paper in this way. So you should not be you cannot only access from your desktop application, while you can access from anywhere. If we made any kind of changes in our web portal, you can just simply by pressing the sync option, you can access all the data in your desktop. So this is the beauty of the Mendeley desktop application, and it gives you flexibility of storing your research paper as easily, with the addition that you can add references in your desktop application in your research papers. So in the next tutorial we will add citation and bibliography in our research papers. If you are new at this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Take care.